Hello, today we will guide you through how to set time zone in GoCharting. If you want your charts to match your local market hours or simply display time in a way that's easier for you to follow, adjusting the time zone in GoCharting is a quick and useful setting to know. In this walkthrough, we'll go from opening the platform to selecting and applying your preferred time zone. To begin, go to the Trading Hub in GoCharting. This is where you can access the charting platform and start working with your trading setup. Once the page loads, take a moment to make sure you're in the right place and that the main options are visible on screen. Next, click on Launch GoCharting Free. This will open the charting interface where you can view markets and customize your workspace. Depending on your internet speed or browser, it may take a few seconds for the platform to fully load, so wait until the chart area and menu options appear before moving on. Once you're inside the charting screen, look at the bottom of the screen and click on Set Time Zone. This option is typically placed in a lower area of the interface, so if you don't notice it immediately, scan along the bottom edge of the platform carefully. Opening this setting allows you to control how time is displayed across your chart. After that, click on your preferred time zone to change it. You'll be selecting the option that best matches the region or standard time you want to use while viewing charts. This is especially helpful if you trade markets in a different country, work across multiple sessions, or want your chart timestamps to align with your own schedule. Be sure to choose the correct time zone before confirming, since this affects how candle times and session references appear on screen. Once you've selected the time zone you want, click on Set. This applies the change and updates the chart to reflect your chosen time setting. After the update, you should see the platform using the new time zone for chart display. And that's it. You've successfully changed the time zone in GoCharting. If the chart doesn't seem to update right away, give it a moment and review the selected setting to make sure the correct option was chosen. Keeping your platform on the right time zone can make chart reading much more accurate and convenient, especially during active trading hours.